Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Amidst the towering marble monuments and the hushed halls of museums, there is a rhythmic, organic sound that feels like the heartbeat for the National Mall. It's a steady clip-clop of hooves on pavement. While Washington D.C. is a city of high-tech security and modern diplomacy, one of its most vital and beloved institutions relies on a partnership that is centuries old. The U.S. Park Police Horse Stables and Education Center isn't just a facility, it's a testament to the enduring bond between humans and horses in the service of the public. The U.S. Park Police Mounted Unit is one of the oldest equestrian law enforcement branches in the United States, and for good reason. From the back of a horse, an officer gains a vantage point no patrol car or footbeat can provide. But more importantly, they gain a bridge to the community. A horse is a natural diplomat. It breaks down barriers, invites conversation, and brings a sense of calm and approachability to an often intense atmosphere of the nation's capital. When you see a mount and rider silhouetted against the Lincoln Memorial, you aren't just seeing a patrol, you're seeing a living tradition. This education center was designed to pull back the curtains on that tradition. It's a place where the mystery of the stable is replaced by the reality of the work. It's about the meticulous care, the rigorous training, and the deep trust required to prepare a horse for the unique challenges of DC. From navigating massive crowds during an inauguration to standing steady amidst the noise of a protest. These aren't just animals, they are highly trained partners who must remain composed in environments that would unsettle almost any other creature. Inside these walls, you feel the dedication of the farriers, the trainers, and the officers who call this place home. The architecture itself is a nod to sustainability and modern design, yet it serves a purpose as old as time, providing a sanctuary for the animals that help keep the city safe. It's a reminder that even in the epicenter of political power, there is a need for the grounded, earthly presence of these magnificent animals. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of this center is the education in its name. It's a space where visitors can learn about the history of the mounted unit and the vital role that they play in the ecosystem of the National Mall. It's about understanding that conservation isn't just about protecting grass and stone, it's about preserving the skills and the heritage that defines our public spaces. As the sun sets over the mall and the horses are led back to their stalls, there's a sense of continuity. The world outside may change, technology may evolve, and the political landscape may shift, but the essential nature of this partnership remains. The US Park Police Horse Stables stand as a proud reminder that some of the most effective tools for modern peacekeeping are those we've shared our lives with for thousands of years. It's a living, breathing piece of Washington D.C. that proves that sometimes the best way to move forward is at a steady, four-legged trot.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.